Unraveling the fascinating tale of the string of turtles. When it comes to indoor plants, the string of turtles stands out with its distinctive appearance and charming characteristics. The string of turtles, also known as Peperomia prostrata, is a small, trailing succulent native to the tropical rainforests of Brazil. Its charming name derives from the unique appearance of its leaves, which bear a striking resemblance to a string of tiny turtles neatly arranged along the stem. These miniature turtle-like leaves exhibit a beautiful combination of shades, ranging from deep green to silver gray, further enhancing the plant's allure. Like many succulents, the string of turtles has adapted to survive in arid conditions. It can withstand short periods of drought, making it a relatively low-maintenance plant. To keep your string of turtles happy, provide it with bright, indirect light. This plant prefers a spot near a north or east-facing window where it can receive filtered sunlight. The string of turtles prefers a warm and humid environment, similar to its native habitat. Aim for a temperature range between 65 degrees Fahrenheit and 75 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 degrees Celsius and 24 degrees Celsius. Avoid exposing the plant to cold drafts or sudden temperature fluctuations, which can lead to stress and foliage problems. As a succulent, it has water storage capabilities, and overwatering can be detrimental to its health. Before watering, ensure that the top inch of soil has dried out. Water your string of turtles every 10 to 14 days during the growing season, spring and summer. Reduce the frequency to once every 3 to 4 weeks during the dormant period, fall and winter. Use a watering can or a narrow spout container to direct water directly at the base of the plant, avoiding wetting the leaves excessively. Allow the water to soak into the soil thoroughly. Creating a well-draining soil mixture is crucial for the health of your string of turtles. Providing your string of turtles with a balanced fertilizer helps provide essential nutrients for healthy growth. Use a diluted liquid fertilizer formulated for succulents or houseplants. 2 common methods for propagating the string of turtles. Leaf cuttings. Select a healthy leaf from the plant, ensuring it has a small portion of the stem attached. Allow the leaf cutting to callus over for a day or 2. Plant the cutting in a well-draining soil mixture, burying the stem portion. Mist the soil lightly and place the cutting in a warm, bright location. Keep the soil slightly moist until new growth emerges. Stem cuttings. Take a stem cutting that includes at least 2 sets of leaves. Make sure to let the cuttings develop callus for a few days. After the cutting has become calloused, plant it in a well-draining soil mixture, burying the lower nodes in the soil. Keep the soil slightly moist and place the cutting in a warm, bright location. Over time, roots will develop from the nodes, and new growth will emerge from the top. The string of turtles, with its endearing turtle-shaped leaves and cascading growth habit, is undoubtedly a captivating addition to any plant collection. Remember to provide it with bright, indirect light, well-draining soil, and a watering routine that allows the soil to dry out between waterings. With the right care and attention, the string of turtles will reward you with its unique charm and stunning display of foliage. Please visit asucculent.com to read more.